is simplify, apply operation, and simplify. So the main important thing for question number 13 is we want to make sure we can simplify this first by factoring. Now, Joseph, if we can just focus on this, we can get through it a lot quicker. So the main important thing, actually really doesn't matter. I just want you to be focused on this. So what we're going to look at is factoring out the greatest common factor, which can be a number or it can be a variable. Up top, you can see I have a common factor of 5, so I can factor out the 5. That gives me y minus 4. Again, you can always check your factoring, guys, by applying multiplication or distributing. Again, think of factoring like dividing out the number out of each term. Here I can factor out a 3. Here I'll factor out a 7. And then here I'm going to go ahead and factor out a 10. Well, what?
On the second fraction unit, y plus 5.
Oh, yes, it is. OK. Just, if you could, just, it's kind of annoying. Thank you. All right. So now you guys can see that I have a y plus 5 on the top and a y plus 5 in the denominator, so I can apply the division property. All right. Then I can't divide out the y minus 4 and y plus 4. They're not exactly the same. You can only apply the division property when they're exactly the same. So even though it's close, we can't divide them out. However, I can multiply my numbers, my coefficients here. So I obtain 35 y minus 4. 3 times 10 is going to be 30 times y plus 4. And then obviously, ladies and gentlemen, I can divide, I can simplify this, 35 over 30. You could say 5 goes into 35 7 times, 5 goes into 36 times. So this can be reduced to 7 over 6. Huh? Multiply what across? You mean actually multiplying them out? Yeah, you could do that, but that's not really what we're trying to simplify them, apply the operation, then simplify them again. Yes, you're going to get them right, but what happens when I give you trinomial times a trinomial divided by trinomial times a trinomial? Yeah, you're not going to want to do that, right? So the main important thing is to simplify it. So for this problem, it's not too bad to multiply binomials. But if I give you harder problems, we want to simplify it, then apply the operation to simplify it. So that's what I'm getting you guys trying to practice with. And then you guys could obviously distribute. Just depends on how the problem looks. So you could have 7y minus 28 over 6y plus 24. You could either leave the answer into a factored form or a distributed form. Either way will be OK. Just note that on your test, it could show up either way.